18,000 restaurants, 11 million customers every day, and every single one of them came for this. Approximately 40 million Whoppers sold every single week. That's 5.7 million per day, every day, in 118 countries. Each one flame grill Whopper has survived 70 years of competition. We're going to show you exactly what that decision was. Miami, Florida, 1957. Two entrepreneurs, Nevin, McDonald's was growing fast. Burger King needed something different. The original Whopper, a quarter-pound beef patty, tomatoes, lettuce, mayonnaise, ketchup, pickles, and sliced onions on a sesame seed bun. Price $2 with 34 cents. It did the same as the Whopper. The Whopper recipe has never fundamentally changed. The same 8 core components, the same flame grilling method for 10 years. You don't change it. Now let's find out exactly why. The Whopper begins here. Burger King's beef specification, 100% pure beef, no fillers, no additives, no preservatives, a simple standard, creating the flare-ups that give the Whopper its distinctive char and smoke. Each patty exactly 4 ounces before cooking, the quarter-pound specification that defines the Whopper. Off by more than 0.1 ounce? Rejected. The formed patties are blast frozen at -40 degrees Powered. This locks in freshness and ensures consistent quality. Frozen at the peak of quality, the patty is now in suspended animation, every patty. Restaurant walk-in freezer at 0 for rotation, first in, first out. Maximum storage 7 days. After 7 days, discarded. Quality above cost. Every patty visually inspected before it hits the grill. Improper thaw, doesn't grill right. Burger King isn't the only chain with standards, the machine that makes the Whopper the Whopper. 1450 degrees Fahrenheit, the temperature that gives every Whopper its char, its smoke, and its flame-grilled taste. No deep fryer achieves this. This is why the Whopper is different. The conveyor speed is factory set, not adjustable by restaurant staff. The cooking time is engineered, not judged. Dual flame, the char mark. The Maillard reaction creates over 1,000 flavor compounds in those marks. Smoke rises back into the patty. This infusion is exclusive to flame grilling. The taste difference is not marketing. It's chemistry. 70 years of science says, flame grilled tastes different. The smell of a Burger King restaurant is immediately recognizable. Before you see the menu, you smell the flame grill. That smell is brand recognition. For Americans, the memory of backyard barbecue. Off the grill, internal temperature 160 degrees minimum, USDA requirement for ground beef safety. The broiler achieves this consistently because the cooking time is calibrated, not guessed. The carbon on the grates contributes to the flavor of subsequent patties, a form of seasoning that builds over time. Some argue the grates of a well-used broiler cook a better Whopper than a new one. The Whopper bun, a specific formulation that must be soft enough for the toppings but structured enough to hold a quarter-pound flame-grilled patty with 7 additional toppings. The toasted bun. Not just warm, toasted. The caramelized surface adds a 3rd layer of flavor. The flame char of the patty, the sesame of the bun exterior, and the caramelized bun interior. Buns delivered daily to every location. Maximum hold time, 24 hours. After 24 hours, discarded. Every Whopper tomato slice, 3/8-inch thickness specification. Too thin, lost in the burger. Too thick, unbalances the flavors. 3/8-inch for 70 years. Iceberg lettuce, specifically iceberg, not romaine, not mixed. The crunch of iceberg provides textural contrast with the soft bun and moist patty. The Whopper's texture architecture is designed. The pickle, for information that tells variety, to specification. The Whopper is a careful properties a balanced system. The pickles and careful balanced experience. Sauce quantities precisely specified. Not mayonnaise, skimmed for it, too little, so you little flavor to be played. The recipe is proprietary. The same beef, the same bun concept, the same toppings, but the Whopper tastes different because of 1,650 of direct flame contact. And that chemistry is irreplaceable. The assembly sequence is standardized, always in this exact order. Why? The ketchup and mayonnaise under the lettuce prevents the bun from getting soggy. The tomato next to the patty allows heat transfer to slightly warm the tomato. Every detail is engineered. The patty diameter and bun diameter are specifically matched. The patty reaches the edge of the bun in every bite. No bite is just bun. The sauce application pattern is specified, not free-poured. A specific distribution pattern ensures every bite gets both sauces. The Whopper's color architecture. From bottom to top, golden bun, mahogany beef, red ketchup, white mayo, pale green lettuce, vivid red tomato, white onion, dark green pickle, golden bun. Color design. 4 pickle slices. The placement, one at each compass point of the burger. This ensures pickle in every bite, regardless to where you bite in. Now the final step. The Whopper. Complete, as it has been since 1957. From raw patty to wrapped Whopper, 3 minutes 15 seconds average. At 11 million customers per day, that assembly speed matters. USDA requires 160-degree minimum internal temperature for ground beef. Burger King's internal standard, 165-degree fort, higher than required, because margins matter when you serve 11 million daily. The char marks are the quality signature. If the char marks aren't present, the patty wasn't properly flame grilled. The char marks are visible proof that the process was followed. In 1974, Burger King promised "have it your way." Every custom order is verified before service. With 11 million daily customers, our error rate is near zero. Training and systems make this possible. 18,000 restaurants, 118 countries, 1 Whopper specification. The operational manual for the Whopper runs to hundreds of pages. Every detail specified. While local adaptations exist, halal versions in Muslim-majority markets, veggie alternatives in India, the core flame grilling methods, Burger King operates with different meat certifications. Burger King approves specific broiler manufacturers. Franchisees worldwide must use approved equipment. The broiler temperature and conveyor set at the factory. 5.7 million Whoppers every day. Half the locations, but the Whopper outsells the Big Mac globally by revenue. The power of the flame grill. 200,000 metric tons of beef annually, supplied by thousands of farms across multiple continents. The supply chain and managed for Berman or 57. This is the scale it created. The Whopper is not just a burger, it's a cultural reference point. Have it away if you can forget naturalization. Have you come now some adaptation. This has repositioned Burger King against the McDonald's permanently. Why has the Whopper survived 70 years of competition? The answer is in this machine. The flame grill creates a product that cannot be replicated. The Whopper's differentiation is structural, literal fire. The Whopper's competitive moat is fire, literal fire, a structural advantage competitors can't replicate without an operational overhaul. For 70 years, the Whopper's moat of fire has remained uncrossed. The Whopper has faced constant competitive pressure. The burger wars of the 1980s, the rise of McDonald's dominance, the premium burger revolution, multiple ownership changes. The owner changed, the rest lasted them all. The Double Whopper, 2 flame-grilled patties, each individually grilled. The Double Whopper is not a compromise, it's the same product, doubled. The industry chose cost efficiency. Burger King chose differentiation. The short-term cost, higher. The long-term result, 70 years of unduplicated flavor. The Whopper is proof. This flame is 70 years old. It has never been extinguished. It has cooked billions of Whoppers. It will cook billions more. If the flame grilling process surprised you, subscribe. New food process every week. See you inside the next one. Tell us in the comments. And tell us which food process we should cover next. 2019, Burger King launches the Impossible Whopper, a process to innovation. Change the ingredient, never change the flame. That principle has worked for 70 years. In 118 countries, the first bite of a Whopper makes the same sound. The same char, the same smoke, the same flame. The world shares more than we think. 2 a.m., the same flame, the same process, the same Whopper. The flame doesn't know it's famous, it just burns, as it has 16-15-57. Three flavor processes occur on the Whopper's flame grill. Maillard browning, the broiler has temperatures char, mid-heat for char, the restaurant smoke on the inside. This is complexity in fast food.
James Moore was not a food scientist. He was an educated businessman who made mistakes he could still recite with regard culture. And he could more died in next month than what it would sue of fast food burgers.
Approximately 90% of Burger King restaurants worldwide are franchised, independently owned, but operated to Burger King specifications. The Whopper process must be replicated by 18,000 independent options. The Whopper's process is 70 years old. The systems around it are 2024. Digital systems now monitor the broiler temperature automatically, alerting managers when the temperature deviates. 18,000 restaurants, 11 million customers every day, and every single one of them came for this.